These allegations were levied by the union's members on Wednesday during a virtual press conference. The union said it began representing the more than 300 non-management workers of Republic Bank in December last year after receiving recognition by the Trade Union Recognition and Certification Board. At that time, the achievement was dubbed as historic by the union's president Gregory Gaspar, who noted that it was the first unionization of employees in the banking sector. Against this backdrop, the union's first vice president, Colin Holt, conveyed on Wednesday that a letter addressed to the general manager of Republic Bank was sent on December 30, seeking a meeting within 5 working days to discuss a collective labor agreement. However, that meeting is still to occur.
The union, however, is concerned since the date it has not received a response from the Republic Bank.
According to Holt, this delay is a gross violation of the law which falls under the Trade Union Recognition Act, Chapter 9807, Section 23.
Where a trade union obtains a certificate of recognition for workers comprised in a bargaining unit in accordance with this part, the employer shall recognize the union and the employer shall bargain in good faith and enter into negotiations with each other for the purpose of collective bargaining.
Further, Section 23(3) states an employer who fails to comply with the provisions of subsection 1 shall be guilty of an offense and liable on summary conviction to a fine of $28,000 in addition to a fine of $500 for every day the breach continues until the employer has complied with such provision. Another member, Jermaine Harmenstein, conveyed that in light of this alleged violation of the law, the union will utilize a number of ways to get the bank to fulfill its legal obligation.
We're calling on the Trade Union Recognition Board also to look into this matter. We are contemplating at this stage whether or not we may go in the route of litigation.
He opined that the welfare of the workers is important to the union, as such the bank must respect the rights of its employees. The union said it was first approached by employees of the bank in September who requested to be represented, as such a poll was taken. Of the almost 598 workers, Harmenstein said more than 330 of Republic Bank's non-management workers voted for the union. Meanwhile, efforts to solicit a response on the matter from Republic Bank proved futile. For the HGP Nightly News, Kendell Richmond.